So guys, here we have is our Euro USD. Now before we actually get started, right, you can see that this movement, right, we've actually predicted that our Euro USD will actually give us a bullish move this week, right? If you check other channels, right, other channels predicted that Euro to USD will drop because they were all predicting that this week DXY will give us a bullish move while the Euro will fall against our DXY. But I think I'm the only channel that predicted that Euro to our USD will give us a bullish move, and this is exactly, you can go back to confirm it, you can check the channel to confirm it. We predicted that this was a bullish move. There we predicted that this was like a correction. We also saw this as a bullish move, and we saw this as a correction, right? And this week we also predicted that Euro to our USD will actually give us that bullish move to break this ice, right? And guess what? We've actually had this bullish move, right? And this is a confirmation that we are on a bullish move and our analysis was correct. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button so you get daily updates from us. Now we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day, right? Now, first of all, before we get started, I want us to actually see this moving average, which is 10-period moving average. We all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once our price is below moving average, right, we have to short it. But if it is above it, we have to go long. So we can clearly see that this Euro USD is above our moving average, meaning we are on a bullish move, right? You can take a look at this, our DXY, which is USD index. This is kind of like a bearish move, right? We predicted that this is a drop. Here would be like a correction, right? Which I talked about. We also saw that this is a drop, and we predicted that this was a correction because the price actually failed to break this previous level. Assuming price broke above it, then fine, we might continue to go bullish. But price failed to break it. I now also told you that this USD index will actually give us a bearish move that it will break below this low this week, right? I also said it because other channels were actually saying, okay, DXY will actually give us that bullish move. I was the only channel that predicted that we would go bearish, right? And guess what? We've gone bearish. Now we want to see what this price will be giving us the next day. So I want you guys to know that once price has reached to a level previously and it gets to that same level again, price will definitely react at that same level. So we can clearly see that price has once reacted at this level sometimes, especially here. You can take a look at this level here. Price has once reacted at this level, so price has gotten to this level. So I want you guys to know that a little bit of a pullback will be made. Then after the pullback, then a bullish move. So let's try and take out this level for the next day. So we saw price here reacted here twice. We also reacted here 3 times. So let's hope we get to a level of 1.03150. So a level of 1.03150 on our Euro USD is what I want us to actually be able to. We very much likely to hit for the next day, which is up on the 11th, right? Right. So we want to actually let price get to to around 11 of on the 11th of November. We will actually get to a level, possibly get to a level of 1.03150 on Euro USD, right? And clearly we can see that this price is still above our moving average. Since the price is still above our moving average, then we have to go long. But if it is below it, we have to short it. So clearly we can see that this 10-period moving average, our price is above it, so we have to go long. Now to actually be able to predict this movement better, we would actually go to the 4-hour time frame. So take a look at this 4-hour time frame that was made here. You can see this huge impulse move that was made, right? Here comes the correction, and here is the impulse move, right? Here is kind of like the pullback, and here we've added this huge impulse move. So since price has once reacted at this level, right, and we are currently at the same level, so expect a little pullback on the 4-hour time frame. Not much though. It will not be much, just a little bit of a pullback. After it's a continuous bullish move on our Euro USD. So we want to actually see it go up to a level of 1.3. So 1.03, sorry, by the way. So a level of 1.03, we would want to actually hit for the next day on our Euro USD. And let's see what this 1-hour time frame says, by the way. So 1 hour time frame still on a bullish move, so we will actually still open and close bullish. But first of all, a pullback should occur on this Euro USD. Maybe after the pullback has occurred, then you can enter to go long on the Euro USD.